Oops, another successful day. Drilling holes, or core drilling holes, ready to run pipes through. Don't know if I need the holes, but there we go. They're there anyway. Still up to my knees in fish shit and blanket weed. Hopefully all being pumped out tomorrow. Well, today hasn't been overly productive. Drilled a few holes. Dropped my drill in the shite at the bottom. Bit of core drilling. First bracket in place to take the GRP grid and the Unistrut cross beams, and that is pretty much about it. And I have had a gutful. Well, I've measured, remeasured, measured again. Hopefully I've got the supporting bracket to the right height. Another 3 to do, and they're going to have Unistrut going across the pit with GRP grid sitting on top. Hopefully that should do the trick. As I said earlier, getting more holes than a Swiss cheese, but better than doing it once it's all installed. And this is the sort of day I'm having today. I was so looking forward to that. I suspect that these two will be the feed and return to my spigot return backy shower, assuming I use it. Where needs must, and just slightly up through. Hopefully that'll hold it there until the bolt's set. Wednesday the 29th, fitting the brackets now to put the GRP grid down on, and the Unistrut cross braces. All going to be chemically fixed with lots of fingers crossed. Had the sump pumped out this morning by the local company that does our cesspit. Most of the water in the shite is gone, but still not completely clear. At least I'm not wading up to my knees. Well, fingers crossed. Yes, I forgot the washers. Still, they can go on later. I've got a couple of studs down and I'm going to run the nuts back, so not a major crisis. All cut down and ready for washers.